Well, that's easy. I could talk about the fact that we have saltwater pools at 8 of our 9 locations. I could talk about the fact that we can join one club and use all the clubs. The fact that we have a yacht for our members. The fact that we have access to a beach club, over 600 classes a week.
Brand new DVD is called Everyday Workout for the Everyday Woman, and in Katie's toolkit today we have four volunteers who are going to be doing a little of the workout. Hi ladies, you look fantastic, and they are Jill Vance, Karen Shetler, April Rigler, and Sarah Clark.
My name is Carrie Pierce, and I'm a personal trainer at the New York Health and Rec Club. Back in the day, I was a national champion in gymnastics. So let's talk tumbling. This video is on how to get your weight off your hands in a back handspring.
Some people, as you can see, take eating healthy to a whole different level.
If you really want to look the way I look, you have to put the time and you have to put the dedication into it.
Celebrity personal trainer Rafael Ulloa, of course, works out hard, but he's also very careful about what he eats. At 48 years old, it's clear he has the secret.
I'm Anna Emily Altman, personal trainer for the New York Health and Rec Club and the creator of 775 Circuit Training Program for Women. And here's how to do a proper wide leg squat. Wide leg squats are great for inner thigh strength and toning.
So much happier than I was. There's a relief from stress. When I come to the gym, I work with the leg presses, the kettlebells, and this is what gets me through. I am a better person. It's like another persona. You know, who is that woman?
But really, that's not the main differentiator. What it is our loyalty to our staff, to our members, and the fact that we celebrate anniversaries not by the month, but by the decade. We have members that are with us for over 20 years, 30 years, and some that are with us for 40 years.